Hello Facebook, hello everybody. Happy Friday. It is Friday, what is today, the 8th? October 8th. Can you believe it is already October 8th? It is Friday, October 8th. And here I am live with my cocktail time with Jamie. As most of you already know, I try to go live at 4 o'clock most days of the week. I did pretty good this week. I only missed a couple of days. And let's see, our $9.99 special this week is our burgers. So any of our burgers served with coleslaw and potato salad for $9.99. We have 3 different burgers. We have, of course, our vegan chickpea burger, our bacon cheddar burger, and we have our forager burger, which is with bacon and apple. We are open all weekend. Monday night we have a wine dinner out in our garden, hopefully. It's supposed to be nice next week. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. I have no idea what we're doing. Marcus just walked in. Marcus, any idea on wines? No. Okay. So, I think
Mexican wines did not arrive today.
Oh, the Mexican wines did not arrive today. So, thank you everybody for watching. I see that I just got my notification. Thank you, Martha and Marcus and Sean. Thanks everybody for joining me. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Drop me a comment if there's any drinks that you would like to see me make. I've been doing these for 18 months, since the beginning of the pandemic in March of 2020. So I have made a lot of drinks over the past 18 months. I wonder what number I'm at. I know that are they on YouTube, my drinks?
They're on our YouTube channel has a playlist.
So our YouTube channel, Aroma Thyme Bistro, has a playlist. So you can check out any old ones, old Facebook Lives. I think they're all labeled with what the drink is. So hello Heidi, hello Florence, thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it, and cheers, thanks Florence. So today I'm going to be making a cherry blossom. So this is a really special, this is brand new. It's from Black Infusions. If you've been watching me for a while, I use Black Infusions quite a bit. They make an apricot vodka and a fig vodka. And Michael Davidson, the owner of Black Infusions, he is a good friend of ours. And we just got this bottle of his dark cherry vodka, which is infused with cherries. So all of the vodkas that he makes are infused with real fruit. This one is, so you might not have a consistency. It might be different every time, different color, but it is real fruit. The fig is real fruit. The apricot is real fruit. You can actually see here in the apricot, you can see on the bottom, it's cloudy, but that is real apricot in there. Look how dark this dark cherry vodka is. I'm super excited. I haven't tasted it, so I'm really excited about it. If you want, you can come in, you can taste it, and we can try to make you a drink. I saw a couple of really cool drinks. A cherry cola. So you just take our agave sweetened cola and add dark cherry vodka to it. That sounded really cool. But today I'm gonna make a cherry blossom. So I already put ice in my shaker. I'm gonna add an ounce of lemon juice and a ½ ounce of St. Elder blood orange liqueur. And we're gonna shake that on up. Yeah, it sounds good, doesn't it, Heidi? Hi, John. How are you? Thanks everybody for watching me. And so cherry blossom, and I'm gonna put it in this glass right here, and we're gonna taste it and see how it tastes. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells like blood orange and cherry. Hi Tammy, how are you? Hope you're enjoying yourself. Probably out playing golf already. It's Friday down in Florida, so, well, it's Friday everywhere, but down in Florida, you're probably playing golf. It smells good. Cheers. Ooh, that is really nice. So cherry blossom, black cherry from Black Infusions, lemon juice, and blood orange. Cheers to the weekend. Those of you that are off on the weekend, this is the start of our weekend, so we're busy. Aroma Thyme is open. We open at 5. We have our $9.99 burger special until Sunday. We open Saturday and Sunday at 3 and Monday at 5. We have our wine dinner on Monday, 6:30. 4 wines in a dish for $29. Marcus will decide what the dish is shortly, Chef Marcus. And let's see, and the wines, I don't know what wines we're doing yet. Maybe he'll just choose a couple of really cool different ones. And I think that's it. So those of you that have been watching me for a long time, I appreciate it. Hello everybody who's watching me new. We are going to be doing takeout again for Thanksgiving. If you go to aromatimebistro.com, everything is on our website, pricing and everything. So thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Cheers, and we will see you soon.